Hi. Say it back. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am taking both of my sweet JDM cars to a car show. I figured if I put that as a title, I might get views, which means I might can eat, which means I can pay back this back page of child support that I owe. Help me help them, alright? I don't want to be a deadbeat, bro. Allow me not to be a deadbeat. Thank you. You see these stickers right here? Live on the website, ZoshMFG.com. Grab that, then come back. Come back. And chill with your boy. Fred is going to be piloting the RSX and I'll be piloting the Integra. We are going to clean IFO. Yup. Which one y'all choosing, man? The DC5 or the DC2? It's a DC4, but we say it's a DC2 on YouTube so we can get cool scene points. What's that, fat? Look how cool that is. Have both my cars out. Moments like this make me feel like I made it in life. It's a good feeling, man. It's like, damn, you got two of your cars. One's a daily and one's a wannabe race car. And you're a wannabe race car driver. Life is amazing sometimes. What's up, gang? I'm gonna get my vlog action on, you know what I mean? Fred taking me out, you know what I mean? Ooh.
That greasy ass lens now. You ain't wash your hands in like a year.
Don't try me, dog.
He got COVID on his lens right now.
Oh wait, I need that.
I got that lotion.
What lotion you use? Cocoa butter?
Hell
Nah.
yeah.
Hey, bro.
You over here like, burr.
Nah.
Yeah, that cold shit, yeah.
Wait, you don't need lotion.
Now you got tattoos, you straight. You don't see the ash on that.
But I do actually though, my fucking elbows and shit.
You greasy as hell, bro. You're self-moisturized, bro.
Right?
Ooh. Look at the ice. Hey, let me get that shifter, dog. What you want for it? That's a nice shirt you got there, dog. Damn.
You say that shit itching, bitch.
You know what they say? If you know your shit itches, you got money on the way. You got money on the way, dog.
You got that Fred money.
You got that Fred, bro. You get that Fred money. It's different ball game right there, bro.
I work.
All right, here we go. This works.
You get
Desmond's.
You get snakes.
Fully built motor. Oh, bro, what?
Most we do this all the time, dog.
Yep. Bro, so I just rode a Grom. If you guys seen the previous content, I'm buying a Grom, dog. I'm getting one. I'm gonna get one, dog.
Yeah.
Full sin. Hey, sell me his Grom for like $1,000. I'm down. My nigga, bro. I need that. Y'all see my boy Lewis out here flexing on him? Flexing on him. Hey, I'm gonna need Lewis to sell me these Graham lights, dog. I didn't get it on camera, but the homie Jerry built motor.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Well, you gotta watch Fred's video. I don't know. Fred might upload it before me because you know me, I be slacking.
Hell no, I got yesterday shit.
Oh, nah.
They pushing it.
How are they pushing it? They on the ground. Yeah, I think it's good.
Oh no, you straight.
I don't know. We're gonna find out though.
Oh boy.
Damn, Jerry got a hole in the block, front and back, bitch.
Just like me, bitch.
And
Baby, I want an angel.
hold on. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. Damn, bruh. Oh, I could take a picture with me holding the camera. Oh, gang. Get my shit. Come on, bruh. I'm just fucking with you, dog.
How we gonna finish out this vlog right here? How you liking the Grom?
I'm gonna buy one, bro.
You gonna buy one?
Yeah, I'll buy yours.
All right. I'll trade you the Integra.
Say less. Keys in the car.
Bet. Keys on the Grom. See you later.
You about to do what?
Gotta go home.
You about to do what though?
My brother's birthday.
No, but you about to do what?
Head out.
Lava.
Why?
Nah, you think it's some weird shit now.
You finna head out? Dog, fucking
Bro,
fish,
this
dog.
man lives in a fucking aquarium with all this fish. Damn, bro. Everything is just fish in it, so living in a fucking
I went Nemo and Shark Tales, man. We chilling, bro.
everywhere.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What
Hey,
it do? What it do?
Hey.
What it do?
Hey, what it do, dog? What you gonna let the people know back home?
Man, y'all gotta support the black people, bro.
Oh,
like my
please,
man Zosh,
bro. Please.
Back up. You can't. You don't need no camera time.
What?
Bro, who's man? Nah, bro. But you know, you gotta support the black
Hey, you finna go riding?
Lava.
Hey, yo, nah.
Nah, dude. Hey, friend. You gotta get your boy.
Man just asked me, I go ride, brother.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Drive the bike.
I go in on
That's a good race. That boy ran a 11.9 at 115. That boy Rob is out, boy. My boy ran a 11.6.
right there too.
Fishbowl is just amazing. Battle of the EGs, dog. That's the trunk you need, dog.
I was looking at it, bro.
That will look fresh. Right lane took it. 11.7, 11.5. Big bands, grandma, big bands. Yeah, big bands, counted, racked up, shouted. Grandma got racked, boy. Don't play about my grandma, dog. Yeah.
Let's go.
Y'all doing the Stevie Wonder version?
One version.
Alright.
Let go. I don't know that version. Let go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo! Hey! Gang, 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 gang. Grandma, where the racks at, Grandma? Make it rain, Grandma. Grandma, make it rain. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Like, it was a great day, man. It was a chill day, chill Sunday, chill vibes with the homies. It was just an overall great day. And I know what you're probably thinking, Zosh, how come we can't see you? Cause that's how y'all make me feel, bro. Y'all make me feel invincible. What? Invincible? What? Invisible? Boatmobile? Look, hey, just show me some love. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. If you not enjoyed this video, then leave a dislike on the video. All in all, y'all know, I don't give a I love each and every single one of y'all. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.